I would thoroughly recommend, absolutely thoroughly recommend. It's transformative. And unless you're a rare breed of entrepreneur or businessman that knows how to do these things from get-go, or immerse yourself in these self-help books, then you need outside help to really take the next step up. I met Sanjeev. I had 4 studios in the UK. We were coasting along. I was just knee-deep in administration. Really wasn't terribly well organised. I'd just opened a studio in Florida. So work was just piling in and I just needed help getting my head above the water. I was just struggling. It was just becoming really overwhelming because I was just, it was just too intense and I wasn't able to focus on the things that really mattered. So I think when we first met, it was the alignment and planning. It was actually taking an overview of where I wanted to be and what I wanted to achieve, and realising that actually it was quite achievable if only I reorganised myself and prioritised, the important things, the strategizing, the oversight, etc. Well, it forced me into setting. If I recall rightly, I had to set goals, and it's almost doing homework for your teacher. I just felt like I had to achieve these things because Sanjeev would be meeting me, and so these goals were set, and I felt an obligation to fulfil them. Prior to meeting Sanjeev, I was answering small queries, doing mid-level administrative duties, checking bank balances for people, etc. Whereas what I realised I had to do was delegate out the work and stop getting mired in the day-to-day administrative process. We totally reorganised the team with Sanjeev's help, freeing me up. So it completely changed things. We also then merged 2 businesses in the UK together. I had 2 separate entities. We merged them together, making great economies, moved all the administration up to Manchester, far cheaper, the rent, the rates, the payroll expense, etc., and made the whole thing more efficient. Well, since 2021, I have completely extracted myself from the UK business, from all day-to-day activities. So I now am a majority shareholder, I'm still a director.